Hi guys, in this video I show you how to make your PDFs fillable, for example if you created them in Canva, but also from anywhere else. First we are going to search for Docfly and we are going to open this web page. After the web page has fully loaded, just click on click to upload your file. Then you are going to select the PDF you want to make fillable. Click on open and wait until it's fully uploaded. Then select the uploaded file and now you're here in the editor. Select the form creator right here, and to make free spaces like the name or date fillable, we are using the paragraph field. Just drag it inside here, resize it, and yes, bring it into position. Let's also do it for the date. If you want, you can also change the font, the size, the color, and the alignment. If you want to make checkboxes fillable, just use the checkbox field instead of the paragraph field. Here you can also change the style of the checkbox. Means instead of checkmarks, you can use a cross or just a circle. And of course, you can also change the size and the color. So after selecting the check field and adjusting its parameters, just drag it into the place where you want to have it. Resize it, change the color if you want, and we can also add several checkbox fields as you can see here. Just do it for every field you want to add a paragraph field or a checkbox. If you have other fields, for example the dropdown, you can also see them and use them from here. After finishing to add all the fields you need for your PDF document, just click on save and then on export. Here you can click on download. Click on download file, and after finishing the download, open your PDF document. Now you can see that the name, the date and the checkboxes are fillable. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.